Adeline and I'm a certified clinical sexuality coach. And today I've got hot tips for men and how to make your partner beg for you. Have you ever had a partner who begged for sex? Like ever, as a man? Imagine if you could have that. If your partner would be like so turned on that she would beg for you to go down on her or to touch her. Well, let's see how we can make that happen. Start here, on her face. Hands on her face, mouth on her face, kiss her. Long, passionate kisses for as long as it takes. Make sure you have all the time in the world to please her because you want her to be fully turned on. Trust me. Then you're going to follow her lead. She might take your hand and grab your hands to go lower in her body. Don't go past where she's bringing you. And you're going to play around the chest. But make sure you go really slow and you're enjoying every minute and second of it. Listen to your body, listen to your lead, and take all the time that it takes. Don't rush things. It takes time to build up some heat, energy in our body. Take the time because she is gonna love it. And if she's fully turned on, you gonna beg it for next time. So play around with some kisses, play around the chest, and like follow her energy. She's gonna guide you. She's gonna start moving in a different way, making sound in a different way, so play with that. And remember, the goal is to make her beg for you. So don't go past the bell. Don't go below the belt. Wait until she really beg for it. And you can like play a little bit and make her beg a little bit more until she's completely like crazy about it. And that's an amazing feeling to have. So I hope you're feeling ready to play with your partner and have fun and to do it in a different way. What I really encourage you to do is to take your time. Do not rush into anything. And I'm curious, how do you do it? Have you ever tried slowing down and taking your time, or are you always rushing into it? Please let me know below in the comments. And if you've seen any values in that video, please click on the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share that video with any friends or family member who would benefit from it. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.